Hi, I'm Jeff with Logan Bear Candles, and today I wanted to introduce you to our acrylic molds. First, in this video I'm going to show you how to assemble the mold, and then in the next video I'll show you how easy it is to unmold your soap. So, I wanted to start by showing you that I tried to make it as waterproof as possible. All the molds have these gaskets in it to make it a little more watertight, but they're not quite waterproof. This is just a simple screening spline that you can buy at your hardware store. So if it ever does become lost or damaged, you can easily replace it, and it's very inexpensive. First thing I like to do is put the bottom piece into the bottom groove of the mold, and then the end pieces will go into the grooves, and at an angle like that slide into the bottom piece. Do that on both sides. And they snap right in. And then for the other side piece, start on one side, pushing down, and you need to pull the other end piece in and push down on the side piece at the same time so it snaps like you just heard. Easiest thing for me after this is to put it up on its end so I can put the hardware on. I supply all the hardware with the molds. Now with acrylic, you want to be very careful not to over tighten because acrylic will crack. You don't need to tighten it too much. In fact, for just the initial assembly, I barely even get it snug. Just like that. Once you have all the hardware pieces in, and some of the bigger molds are going to have 6 pieces of hardware instead of just 4 because of their length. You can place it down. Now the divider grid is simply pieces of thinner clear acrylic material that slide together. This happens to be for a 12-bar slab mold. And these are dimensioned to make 2.5 by 3.5 inch bars. So once you get that all assembled, you're ready to start pouring your soap. So after you pour your soap, you can do your swirl, whatever you want to do with it. And then you're going to slide the pre-assembled divider grid down into your soap, which will also help you if you do swirls. It'll help pull the swirl down along the edges. Last step is, this is both the divider grid and the lid are options on my molds. Loosen the upper hardware a little bit so the lid can slide down in. Then you're ready to tighten it all the way down. Again, not too tight or it's going to crack the material. Once you get it all tightened down, that lid is secure, it's not going to come off, and you're ready to let your soap sit. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.